Delani Spencer from Careers and Sports. This is my project called Electric Blues. When starting this experiment, I used 3 beakers with 3 rock wools, sticking a hole in them with a pencil, and putting 2 kale seeds called Black Magic. I would use a blue dye and plant nutrients, changing the water every 2 days and exposing it to sunlight. Beaker 1 had 3 drops of dye, Beaker 2 had 4, and Beaker 3 had 5. The initial thought when adding the blue color dye in my plants was to see if the dye would have a positive or negative effect. This is an original look on Black Magic, the kale seeds. My setup was the control group, and it was the tower system in my school that had standard care and had no dye. The experimental was dye and nutrients. The independent variable was the dye, the dependent variable was the growth, and the constant was 250 milliliters of water, nutrients, and the location of my plants. This is where it was, window, light, and the blue water. During the first couple of days, the Black Magic was resilient to grow, but it did grow with different amounts of dye applied. Beaker 1 took 2 to 3 weeks to grow, 1 to 2 centimeters. Beaker 2 had between 2 to 3 weeks and did not have no progress. Beaker 3 grew rapidly and sprouted with shades of yellow, blue, and green. That's Beaker 5. This is 2, Beaker 3. My hypothesis was supported because it did grow, but it grew really slow. During my project, people had questions like, was the dye similar to toxins, and would it have the same reaction as pollution? And if a different color dye was used, would it have impacted the growth? Yeah.